Hello and welcome to Gray and Crochet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a stacked US treble crochet. So I've done this little swatch here of treble crochets, and at the start of each round I have chained just to demonstrate what the edges look like. So as you can see, it doesn't look very neat. It does look a little bit zigzaggy, but the stacked treble can help fix that for you. So to do the stacked treble crochet, we are going to flip our work and ensure that the working yarn is at the back of our work. Into that first stitch there, we're going to work what looks like a single crochet. So just pop your hook through that one, yarn over and pull through to the other side. Now when you get here, before you complete your single crochet, I recommend just lifting up your hook a little bit to create a looser stitch. And the reason you want to do this is because in the next step, you'll be going in between those two loops with your hook. So creating a nice loose stitch will make that much easier. So once you've pulled up your hook, yarn over and pull through to complete that single crochet. Now in between those two loops, you're going to pop your hook in to complete another one of those. So just go in between and ensure that you get both loops, so the front and the back loop. So it should look something like this. So you've got your original loop on your hook, you've got the front loop there, and then the back loop. And on the other side, it's going to look quite similar. So you've got your original, and then you've got the front and the back loop of that stitch. So yarn over and pull it through to the other side. Lift up your hook a little bit to create a loose stitch, yarn over and complete your single crochet. We're going to do that one more time. So in between that stitch, make sure you get both, go through the actual loops and make sure you've got both the front and the back loop on either side. Yarn over, pull through and complete your last single crochet. So that's how you create a stacked treble. I'm just going to do a couple trebles here just to demonstrate the nice neat edge that you get from doing this versus the chains. So that is our stacked treble on top of our previous row. So as you can see, it has created literally a stacked edge, so it's nice and neat, whereas the chains on the previous round tend to create a little bit of a zigzaggy edge. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video.